just a second, think about your dream life. Imagine it. Feel it. Now come back and listen to what I'm about to say. You have the power to make all of that happen.
Yo, what's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here with 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at an awesome product that is made by Dreame. This is the L50 Ultra. That means that this is the top of the line flagship model that they currently have. It's available today. That is going to give you the full mop vacuum feature plus auto unload, or I guess I would call the auto clean. And it also has a heated mop feature. So that way, as it's mopping the floor, this thing is going to dry the floor at the same time when you're getting that best clean, nice shine to your floor and your home. This vacuum right here really allows you to put this robot to work to take control of your chores. So stay with me. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed. We're going to get it set up, and I'm going to give you the whole rundown as to why I went with this model and all the features, which are going to be some of the best on the market. So stay with me and check this out. Oh man, you have got to see the brush on the bottom of this. This is top notch. Holy heck, we've got a dual brush and a harder bristle. Oh, we have the AI camera recognition system. This unit is clean. So I want to show you guys how real simple and quick and easy this unit right here is to install. So we're going to turn this around and get our power on and off switch. Stick that in just like so. I'm going to plug it into the wall. As far as the tray goes, all it does is it snaps into place. And that is it for the tray. All right, guys, let me introduce you to Dreame's Pro Leap system that is designed to climb over 4.2 centimeters. So as you can see right in front here, we've got a 2x6. This thing is going to climb over this with ease, because the biggest challenge that I've encountered in my house, especially having kids and pets, is that these things have gotten stuck. Now, Dreame has come up with the solution and come up with a lift system. So for automatic detection, recognition, and being able to climb over effortlessly. So check this out, because this is awesome. So if you've got wheelchairs, you've got sliders, you've got doorways, you've got different rooms, anything that's going to transition, whether it's a little step or a bigger step, but something within about 1.65 inches, this thing is going to tackle it with a zero stuck capability with all of its sensors built into it. It is designed to keep moving seamlessly. And best of all, it's going to give you the durability and dependability, having an impressive 30,000 cycles, ensuring that you're going to get that peace of mind that this thing is going to deliver. You got to admit, that is probably one of the coolest and best features with the Dreame right there by itself. Because take a look at the thickness of this. That was able to lift and climb with no issue. So I'm going to introduce you to the Hyperstream Detangling Dual Brush, because hands down this thing performs amazing. So I'm going to bring you in for a closer look to actually take an examination of what really is makes this unique compared to some of the other ones that are out there. So I'm going to flip this around here. So first off, you're going to notice that we have two different brushes. The back one here, this is what is referred to as the bristled rubber brush. Now, the bristled rubber brush uses a soft nylon bristle, and then the other part of it here, that utilizes what is known as a TPU rubber brush. Now, the other one here, this is a full TPU rubber brush. This is designed to capture large debris. The Dreame L50 Ultra gets even better. Equipped with a dual flex arm technology and mop extend pad, the Robo Swing technology. What does that mean? This thing is going to glide along edges. It is going to dive into irregular corners. It is going to vacuum and twist. It is going to mop, and it's going to pick up as far as 4 centimeters out. Now, what's also awesome about this thing is capable of getting hidden debris under couches and alongside edges and trims and so on. And it is low noise, but best of all,
it is able to identify and prevent cross-contamination, meaning that it is going to lift its pads up nearly 10 millimeters. So that way you're not contaminating your carpets or your floors and so on. This thing is wicked cool.
All right, so if you guys didn't know, check this out. That little dot that's right here on the mobile app, that is our Dreame L50 Ultra. This mobile app is showing exactly where it's at and how it's currently cleaning and wherever you are in the zones mapped in your home. This is absolutely awesome. Now, there is an option for the camera here. There is a built-in camcorder that we can go into. Now, what this is going to do is it allow you to control your vacuum robot cleaner as a drone. Now, the best part I like about this is that it has a pet finder on there. I can select this option here. It will find your pets inside your home. It'll take a photograph of them, and it is going to end up sending the alert to your phone. Or you can just manually drive the robot around. Let's go ahead and drive it.
Camera monitoring.
Oh, what do you know? Check that out. There she is. Oh, there you are. Hello. There she is. All right, let's back up. That is awesome, guys. So that's one feature I definitely wanted to share with you because you can use this as a drone around your house and capture and follow your pets. So if you're wondering where they're at, this is going to tell you right here. So I just want you guys to check this out and see this. So all these white lines that are through here in each one of my zones, that is the progress.
It's going to recognize different kind of messes. So whether it's fluids to solids to dust, particles to hair. Now I do want to bring up the all-in-one base station. This features what is known as the Ace Clean Dry Board, meaning that when the Dreame L50 Ultra goes to dock itself, it is going to automatically clean the mop pads, heating water temperatures up to 75 degrees Celsius, or equivalent to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. And then on top of that, it also has a heating element that is going to dry these pads off, and it's also going to collect and remove debris and dirts and stains up to 99.9%, providing you less odors, using less water stains. So this all-in-one unit is going to automatically refill with the water and detergent. If you are ready for a robotic vacuum to take over your household chores and conquer your home, the Dreame L50 Ultra, this is it. Right here, I cannot stress enough how intelligent and how powerful this machine actually is, because it's going to be able to give you 3D mapping, pet recognition, obstacle avoidance, and it's going to transition between all the different rooms, giving you maximum height, and it's capable of not getting stuck. This is it. I cannot emphasize enough. Incredibly powerful, incredibly intelligent, and it's going to give you the peace of mind if you have a busy lifestyle and it's active with kids and pets. This is a great machine to have in your home. So whether you're there or not, this is going to be working around the clock all the time, and it's adjustable for your lifestyle. I'm in love with this thing. Try it out for yourself.
Product purchase link is in the description box. Check it out.